Good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. It's Friday. We're back at our nice screen room and porch project. Getting some tongue and groove ceiling planks ran. Some spruce 1x6. Cover this up, put a small trim band underneath it, and it'll be ready for paint. The legend, Mr. Claudio Ramirez, is getting our boards cut to length. Kind of working in close quarters here, but it's a good way to end the week. Heat's a little less. Nice way to just finish things off in the shade. We're going to be using the Baloo screen-tight aluminum track system. George Robertson is going to be getting all this painted for us, and this project will be on the way to being done. If you need quality exterior carpentry work, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. We'd love to come do some work for you. Thank you for watching.